Today I want to discuss 3 legit ways to make up to $500 per week online, and you can do all of this from the comfort of your own home. No matter where you are in the world, you can use one of the free systems that we're about to discuss to make money online. I really want to show you some simple ways to make money online because I know that these are probably challenging times for a lot of people, so it's really important that whatever I give you are really ways that you can apply no matter how much experience you have and no matter how much money you have to invest. If you wish to make your own hours and be able to work from home, then continue watching this video. If you want to help me out, click the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe below and click the bell to be informed about all of my future videos. Alright, let's talk about a very old-fashioned idea that you can use to make money online. I know this is nothing new, but it's something that has continued to work for a lot of people, for a lot of businesses, so I think it should be mentioned in this video. 1. Designing websites for companies. Do you want to learn how to use WordPress? Because it is a skill that can be learned in as little as a few days. There is a ton of information out there that you can use to learn how to design a website using WordPress, starting from YouTube videos, blogs, informational websites. I mean, there's so much information out there that you can use to increase your knowledge and become proficient. Become a proficient WordPress developer, and you can literally make $500 per week from designing websites using WordPress. Building a website is actually very simple once you learn the basics. So it's not something that's going to take you like weeks and months in order to get a project done. You can do a website in as little as a day or two, and that includes many pages. Business owners that don't know how to create a website themselves are more than happy to pay someone like you $500 to design a website because they're going to save thousands of dollars that they would have spent otherwise paying an agency. Well, if you think, even if I learned how to use WordPress, I'm still not gonna be a website designer, that is not a problem. The good thing is that you can buy website templates for as little as $20 to $30, and you can use those templates and just put content on them, and you're gonna save a lot of time when designing a website for a client. This is not a bad investment because you're still gonna make good profit and save a lot of time and also money that you would have spent outsourcing the work to someone else. Now, the hard part of this gig will not be doing the work, but finding the clients. What you can do is you can look for one client each week in several places. If you are able to obtain just 4 clients a month, and let's assume each client would pay you $500 per project, per website, then you would only need 4 clients to generate an income of $2,000 per month. You can find people who are in need of a website designer on Craigslist. Search the sections, posts, gigs, or even better, just make a post. Another way to obtain new clients is by searching Google Maps. Just make a search and scroll through the pages. Make a list of all the businesses that don't have a website and give them a call. If this is the first website that you are going to create, simply tell them that you're going to do it for free, so at least you have a reference for future clients. It really helps clients to show the work that you have done so they can get a better picture of what you can do and what you're capable of. This will help you obtain so many more clients in the future. Just remember that you're going to need to spend some money before you can get started, so you can build a solid foundation for the business. I mean, at the end of the day, we all know that it takes money to make money. Examples of what you might need to spend money on to get started are hosting fees, domain fees, and WordPress templates. The good news is that there are many ways to save as much as possible. So I recommend not to choose the most expensive option just because you didn't do enough research. I mean, for example, you can get a shared hosting account for as little as $10 to $15 monthly. You can use a hosting account for 5 to 10 companies if you decide to stick to creating websites for local businesses. For example, if the business owner wants to choose his own hosting, then they can absolutely feel free to do so. They can choose where they want their website to be hosted, and you're simply going to transfer the website, if it's a domain, and the files over to the client's account. If you might not know how to do it or simply don't want to spend the time, you can always hire a freelancer and pay them maybe $20 to transfer all the files from your hosting account over to your client's account. You always want to minimize the amount of work that you put in so you can focus on more and more projects. Regarding templates, you can purchase an annual membership with WordPress that will give you an endless amount of templates that you can use for your clients. So you don't have to purchase them one by one. 2. Becoming a copywriter. The first thing you need to do if you want to become a copywriter is to put yourself in the mindset of an entrepreneur. Therefore, you shouldn't think of yourself as an employee. Think of yourself as a business. To make your business grow, you should connect with other copywriters. Go to events where there are other entrepreneurs and start building a network. You want to find the right people that have the potential to be successful clients. Here are some tips on becoming a successful copywriter. Learn the basics of persuasive writing. Since copywriting is pretty much persuasive writing, it's important that you know or learn how to know to write that way. This skill will not only benefit a copywriter, but it will pretty much benefit anyone looking to make money. You want to learn a few copywriting skills that are always in demand. Being able to use your persuasive writing is really important because not only will you be able to deliver great work to your clients, but you will also be able to obtain those clients in the first place. Here are 5 key points that I highly recommend you master. Writing a headline. This is an important thing for every copywriter to learn because every copywriting project will demand from you that you're going to be able to write a great headline. You want to find a headline that will have a huge impact on the overall results of your sales copy. Writing a value proposition. This is a concise statement of what the business offers, how it can help someone like a client to succeed, and who it is intended for. Copywriters are sometimes hired to focus on the value propositions first, because most businesses don't know how to successfully put the value of their business in words. Writing a landing page. Every website needs a landing page, and if you manage to master this one skill, it can make you a lot of money down the road. It's a skill that's in high demand. Businesses would be willing to pay amazing money to have a great landing page that will make them money. Writing a sales email. Just like there's a high demand in landing pages, there's a high demand in email copywriting, except that it is needed more than one time. Email copywriting is very often the best starting point for new copywriters because it really enables them to get ongoing work. And writing a video script. Video script demand is really high these days. With hundreds of new videos being uploaded to the YouTube platform every minute, it's really important that someone who wants to have success on the social media platform has the right content in order to do that. To outpace their competitors, they need to be constantly uploading new videos to the platform. This is where you come into play. A great strategy is to write copy for free for a business that you really want to work with. As often, offering a free service is the best way to get the foot in the door. It has been proven that giving something away for free will always make the other person want to give something back to you. I understand that it is a risk to give something away for free and very possibly not receive anything back. But if you're confident that your work is great, there's really no reason to worry about giving them something for free. And free selling a coaching program. Creating coaching programs on something that you're knowledgeable and passionate about is a great way to make money online. Examples of coaching package topics that you can offer include blogging, video editing, Facebook advertising, Google traffic, and much more. The key to selling effective coaching packages is by offering your expertise on something that took you years to acquire. It is really important that it is a skill that takes the average person a lot of time to learn. There's no such thing as a one-size-fits-all approach. If you don't have a lifestyle plan yet, it is really important to do some critical thinking before you start the coaching program. And you should also create a mind map. The second thing you need to get started is a signature program. There are many material, especially on YouTube, that teach you how to create a signature program. In order to have a high-ticket and profitable program, you should include these 7 things. Coaching program essential 1. Duration. Duration refers to the amount of time that a client has to commit in order to finish the coaching program. Examples of time frames can be 6-week programs, 3-month programs, or even 1-year programs, depending on the amount of information they need to obtain in order to create results. Make sure that you pick a duration that's reasonable for the final outcome and that is in alignment with your lifestyle goals. Coaching package essential 2. Coaching hours. This refers to how much time you need to be available for your clients, either live, phone call, Skype, or in person. Some coaches offer one-on-one, weekly, or monthly calls. Whatever you think is best for the client to obtain results. I mean the results that you are promising. Remember that the more time you choose to be interacting with your clients, the more valuable your coaching program will be. Coaching package essential 3. Directives. Directives can either be step-by-step instructions or simple information that will help the client to create the desired result. Things that you can do to personalize your instructions, system, or information is to give them trademark names. Give trademark names to your tips, methods, instructions, anything you can think of, so that they know it was personally created by you. Coaching package essential 4. Implementation materials. This refers to what the client will use as his or her support system in the event that you are not available. Some implementation materials that you can offer in your coaching program are downloadable PDFs, downloadable templates, and of course videos. You want to include what helped you most effectively learn what you want your clients to learn, and what will help them implement what they are learning as well. You don't just want to give them a bunch of stuff to learn, right? But you want them to learn how to truly use the knowledge that they're paying you for. Coaching package essential 5. Bonuses. Bonuses are free gifts and services that your client receives after they have finished the main program. They can also get it right after they purchased the program. Some examples of what you can offer as bonuses are audio trainings, ebooks, and previously recorded coaching programs. Coaching package essential 6. This refers to access of the content that you have created within your coaching program. Examples of resources are audio, PDF, blogs, etc. You can also include YouTube videos and articles. You can make these resources easily accessible to your client by putting them on your website, client's coaching portal, or in an organized and shared Google Drive folder. Coaching package essential 7. Additional time with you. Including additional time with you will just create a lot more value than if it was not included, because giving them your time is your most precious asset. And it will also really make your clients feel that you like them, care about their success, and want to be there for them. At the end of the day, you are here to help. You can either go on Facebook Live, chat forum, or a Skype call. Today we discussed how anyone can make money online in 3 easy ways: creating websites, copywriting, and selling a coaching program. Remember that when you work for yourself, it is totally up to you how much work you want to do, but remember that how much you put in will determine your output. It will determine how much money you will make. So if you feel like you want to start working for yourself, start a business, or even get into a partnership, make sure that you are fully committed to the work that you put in. I also encourage you to find something that's enjoyable. If you already possess a certain skill, there's for sure something out there that you can do with it. And if you're willing to learn new things, there's always new opportunities for you. If you feel like you can do one or several of these methods that we just discussed, then make sure you give them a try and let me know how you did. If there's anything that I haven't really discussed that you think should be discussed, please feel free to mention it in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. I really hope that you learned something useful from my video, and I wish you the best of success in your journey. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on alerts to be the first to watch my next Make Money Online video.